Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my amazing video. I hope that all of you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Right now, I have a guest for you all, and he is none other than he is my closest friend, and his name is Johnny. And also, he is a mentor of learning English, and I also learn from him. And in this time, I try to ask him some question. I hope that he will give me the full answer of my all question. Brother, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm really well. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also fine, and I want to know about learning English from you. Why we need to learn in English?
Yes, that is the excellent questions. I think that is the excellent questions for you, all the beginner of learning English. So English is so much important. If you try to learn English, first of all, you should have to be maintaining some rules and regulations. So practical way, you should have to be firstly memorize some vocabulary and increase is your fluency, and you should have to be alone trying to make some sentences, so that if you try to connect it some English speaker and you also regularly hear his beautiful voice, it will be very much helpful for your listening journey of English. So that firstly you should have to be memorize some vocabulary, then overall you should have to be maintaining and make sure and making many of the sentences as much as assertive, interrogative, imperative, operative or exclamatory, so that if you try to continuously make up some sentences, then it will be easy for your next journey of learning English. So that continuously should have to be practiced. So there is no scope to develop of speaking levels. So that is the element, that is the step to develop the speaking level, practice. You know that practice makes a man perfect.
Okay, that's nice. And I want to ask you that, and I am so interested to know about this. And every person, every student, class 1 to 9, 10, 11, 12, all of time, all years, they have two books, English for today and English grammar.
Yes.
But they all read many rules, many regulation of grammar, but they cannot speak English properly. What's the reason?
Actually, you know that the maximum students of Bangladesh, they are also so much weak in speaking English and English. So you know that English is an international language. It is also using mobile phone, Facebook and social platform as much as computer and program. So that English is so much important to our life. So overall Bangladeshi maximum student there did not practice regularly, and there did not so much interest to develop his speaking level, because they are also so much weak and they did not correctly say something about of speaking rules and resolution, and there are not much well of reading, writing, listening and speaking of English journey. So that as a student's life of class 9 or 10, continuously should have to be practice more and more. And overall, when I tried to develop my speaking level, then I was not much well in speaking English, but I am also randomly practice at my home, at my reading room, to develop my journey. And you are also so much weak. This doesn't matter. If you try heart and soul, it will be easy and possible for you, so that you can try it easily.
Okay, that's a completely awesome answer. And what is the first step should every student? What should the first step to start his speaking journey?
Well, that is a good question. So you know that first journey of speaking level, you should have to be achieve some skills. There are one of them reading skill. Reading skill is also so much important to say something about speaking level. So speaking English. So first of all, you should have to be develop with your reading skills, and then overall you can listening some motivational speech of English from YouTube, Facebook, and many others English mentor. There are always posted many others videos in Facebook platform or YouTube platform. You can choose out, you can find out some videos in this sector of social platform. So that firstly you should have to be trying to practice reading skills.
Okay, and I also saw that you go to you. I also saw that you open a coaching center in Kosba. Its name is English Vision Academy.
Yes,
and
right. Yes, right. Absolutely right. This is the institution name of English Vision Academy. It will be started in 2025 in January.
Okay, not make more longer. You all are invited to English Vision Academy. Okay, I hope that all of us enjoy this video. Okay, have a great day. Allah Hafiz.